All right, so we've just done the Amerox oil service and filter. We'll turn the ignition on. We've probably still got the service indicator lighting up. And yes, we need to put some more AdBlue in soon. So there we go, oil service and inspection is still showing on the dashboard. Let's reset that now. So this little button right here, O.O/set, we're gonna hold that down. And at the same time, we're gonna switch on the ignition. If I can reach. All right, so that's coming up. Do you really want to reset oil service? Hit the OK button right here. Service is reset. All right, turn the ignition off. Now to reset inspection, you've got to have the hazard lights on. So turn the hazard lights on, hold down the set button right here and turn the ignition on. Now it says, do you really want to reset inspection? Hit OK if you've inspected all the elements of your car for a service. Service is reset. So we'll turn the ignition off, turn the hazards off, and we'll just see what happens when we turn the ignition on now. So other than needing to add some AdBlue, there shouldn't be any service indicator. You just go down. There we go. That's how you reset the service and inspection indicator. Beauty.
And as always, thanks for watching. If you liked what you see, hit the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment below. That would help my channel grow. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. That would be fantastic.